Let us be honest, finding a reliable drip coffee maker that actually brews a hot, flavorful pot without turning it into bitter sludge after 20 minutes is surprisingly difficult. Most of us just want a morning routine that runs smoothly, giving us a robust cup of coffee before we even have to think. This review will clarify if the Cuisinart PerfectTemp 14-cup programmable coffee maker is the right machine to solve that morning struggle. We are going to look closely at what this machine does differently to maintain high temperatures without sacrificing flavor, and whether it makes sense for your kitchen counter. It is a high-capacity classic drip machine designed for people who need both volume and consistency every single day. So let us break down exactly what you can expect. The Cuisinart PerfectTemp 14-cup coffee maker is essentially a heavy-duty programmable drip machine built around advanced heating technology. It is specifically designed for households that consume a lot of coffee and want it brewed exceptionally hot without losing the nuances of the roast. In your day-to-day experience, this translates to filling the water reservoir and filter the night before, setting the timer, and waking up to a full glass carafe of freshly brewed coffee that is immediately ready to drink. The strongest advantage of this particular model is undoubtedly the internal heater. It genuinely brews hotter than most standard drip machines on the market, which is crucial for proper flavor extraction and a satisfying first sip. Beyond the heat, two concrete advantages stand out during daily operation. First, you have brew strength control, allowing you to choose between regular and bold settings depending on your beans or morning preference. Second, it includes a dedicated 1 to 4 cup setting. This is incredibly useful because drip machines usually struggle to extract flavor properly when making small batches, but this setting adjusts the water flow to ensure a small pot tastes just as rich as a full 14-cup brew. You also get a brew pause function, letting you sneak a quick cup before the whole cycle is finished. This machine fits perfectly into the lives of busy families, home office workers, or anyone who simply drinks several cups a morning and values the convenience of a large batch. Conversely, it does not fit the needs of someone who only ever wants a single quick mug on the way out the door, or those looking for an espresso-style beverage. One honest limitation you need to know about is the water reservoir design. The opening at the top is quite narrow, and because the lid flips all the way up, pouring water from the carafe into the back of the machine can be quite awkward if you have low kitchen cabinets. When compared to common alternatives, like single-serve pod machines, this requires a bit more hands-on prep but delivers vastly better flavor and volume for the household. Compared to premium thermal carafe machines, this model uses a traditional glass carafe and relies on a heated base plate. Thankfully, Cuisinart gives you the option to adjust that plate temperature to low, medium, or high, so you do not accidentally scorch the remaining coffee over time. As a practical final verdict, this is an absolute workhorse of a machine that excels at doing exactly what it promises, delivering a consistently hot, customizable, and flavorful pot of classic drip coffee day after day without unnecessary. To sum things up, you should seriously consider the Cuisinart PerfectTemp if you are looking for a reliable, high-capacity traditional drip coffee maker that prioritizes brewing temperature and flavor control. It is a fantastic choice for heavy coffee drinkers who want a full pot ready when they wake up. You should definitely skip it if your counter space is severely limited, or if you exclusively prefer single-serve pods and specialty espresso drinks. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this review, and feel free to subscribe for more honest, straightforward kitchen gear breakdowns.